Saudi, I would say no. To praise the American, I would say no. Love the Republicans, I always know. If you ask me, to repeat lies, fantasies, definitely no. Condone dishonesty, certainly no. Tolerate hypocrisy, also no. Corruption, briberies, no, 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 no. If you ask me, to like visas and borders, for sure ain't no. Recite silly prayers, I would say no. Angel swindlers and cheaters, surely no. To shut my mouth, I would shout no. If you ask me, to vote for cons and deceivers, only know. Listen to silly preachers, you would hear a no. Excuse dirty polluters, you would get to know. Disregards workers' dignities, certainly no. If you ask me,